Dreaming of a dedicated space for fun and focus? A pool table room brings both sophistication and entertainment into your home. But how do you design it right, from layout and lighting to mood and materials? Let's chalk it up and break down the best design ideas for your ultimate pool room. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What wall colors suit a pool room? Deep, rich colors like slate blue, burgundy, or charcoal help absorb light and add ambiance. Lighter tones can work too, but darker hues give the space that timeless, club-style feel. Choose matte paint to reduce glare. Coloring control? Like this pick. What type of flooring works best? Hardwood, vinyl, or low-pile carpet keeps things level and stylish. Avoid thick rugs. They can shift or bunch underfoot. If you do want rugs, place them well away from queue paths. Even floors are essential for accurate play. Like stylish stability? Give it a like. What size room is best for a pool table? Start with space. A standard table is 8 feet long, and you'll need about 5 feet of clearance on all sides for queue movement. That means a room roughly 17 by 13 feet is ideal. Smaller tables work in tighter spaces, but don't sacrifice comfort. Room to play? Tap like now. What's the best furniture for the space? Keep it simple. Add a sleek cue rack, a wall-mounted scorekeeper, and maybe a bench or pub table with stools. Avoid bulky furniture that interrupts flow. Every item should complement the game and the mood. Form meets function, like now. What ceiling height is ideal? Standard 8-foot ceilings are fine, but taller is better, especially if using pendant lighting. Just ensure any hanging fixture clears cue movements and doesn't obstruct visibility from any angle. Thinking overhead? Like this layout. What about wall decor? Stick to clean, themed pieces, vintage billiards prints, black and white photos, or framed cues. A large clock or gallery wall adds interest. Keep artwork at a safe distance from active play zones. Walls with personality? Tap like. Should I add seating in the pool room? Yes, but choose wisely. A couple of padded stools or armchairs let players and spectators relax without getting in the way. Place them along the perimeter to keep sightlines and shooting lanes clear. Comfort in every corner? Like this tip. How should I light the room? Use a centered hanging light fixture right above the table to avoid shadows. Pendant lights or a billiard-style bar light adds both function and flair. Make sure the bulbs are glare-free and adjustable in brightness. Love good lighting? Hit like. How do I display accessories neatly? Use cue racks, mounted shelves, and built-in wall units. Hang triangle racks on hooks. For balls and chalk, opt for closed drawers or lined trays. Keep everything visible but tidy to maintain the room's style. Love neat setups? Hit like. How do I personalize the space? Add your touch, whether it's a monogrammed rack, neon sign, or your favorite team's colors. Let your hobbies or style shape the room so it's not just for games but for great memories too. Make it yours, like before you go. How can I control sound? Soft elements help. Use curtains, rugs, or acoustic panels to reduce echo and cue noise. Belted tables already help, but the room benefits from a few absorptive materials to keep things relaxed. Quiet and classy? Like this idea. Can a pool room double as another space? Absolutely. Add a minibar, dartboard, or reading nook. Just make sure added elements don't block cue paths. Multi-use spaces feel inviting and flexible without compromising the table's purpose. More than a game room? Like it. A pool table room blends sport, style, and social connection. With thoughtful design, from space and lighting to textures and storage, you'll create a room where every game feels like a win. Start designing your dream play zone today.